Your one-for-all Smart Control Pro is a universal remote control capable of controlling up to 6 audio-video devices. To set up the remote to control your devices, you will need to install the My Nevo app. This can be downloaded from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once downloaded, please open the app and give it permission to use Bluetooth. This is used to communicate between your phone and the remote. When the app starts, choose the OFA Smart Control Pro as your remote. The app will ask you to hold down the OK key for 3 seconds. Do this, and you should see the blue LED under the TV key start blinking. Click on Search for Remote. The app will begin looking for your remote. This is a one-time process that can take up to 30 seconds. Once the app has located your remote, you can follow the instructions to set it up to control your audio and video devices. You will be asked to choose from the top brands for your device. Scroll to the right to see more or to manually search if your brand is not listed. Next, you will be asked to test the remote with the device you are setting up. Point the remote towards the device and try some keys as prompted. Note that the keys shown are just examples and may not be present on your original remote. Once you are satisfied, select Keys Work. The device in question will be set up on the appropriate device key, in this case TV, and also added to an activity. In this case, Watch TV, as indicated by the TV icon. Repeat these steps for any other devices you want to set up, such as a soundbar, set-top box, etc. The Smart Control Pro has 2 ways of controlling your AV equipment: device mode and activity mode. In device mode, the remote behaves exactly as your original remote does. All the keys will control the device you have selected. To control a device, just press the key that corresponds to the device type you set up. For instance, if you press the TV key, all the keys on the Smart Control will control your TV. If you then press the STB key, the remote will then control your set-top box. This gives you the most complete control over each of the devices you have set up. You can program the remote to control up to 6 devices. Activities are combinations of devices. Up to 3 devices are combined into one activity. These will be your TV, an audio device such as a soundbar, and a source device like a streaming box or Blu-ray player. The Smart Control Pro features 3 activities as shown here, namely Watch TV, Watch Movie, and Listen to Music. As you add devices, they will be automatically added to activities. Your TV and audio device will first be set up on the Watch TV activity. The next device you set up will be added to the Watch Movie activity, along with TV and audio, and the third device you set up will be added to Listen to Music. If you are adding a device which is connected to your TV, you will be asked to test to see which HDMI input of your TV it is connected to. The remote will remember this. When you press an activity key, the remote will make sure that the devices you want to control are powered on and the correct input on your TV is selected. After that, the remote will control a combination of devices. If you set up a streaming box and you select the Watch Movie activity, the remote will power on your TV streaming box and soundbar and make sure the TV is on the correct HDMI input. After that, the volume keys will control your soundbar, the input key will work for the TV, and the playback keys will control the streaming box. All other keys will also control the streaming box. If one or more devices did not power on, or the TV is not on the right HDMI input when you selected the activity, hold down the input key while pointing towards the TV to perform the AV sync function. This should correct the issue for you. Pressing the power key when in an activity mode will turn all the devices in that activity off. If you would prefer a different combination of activities, this can be changed by selecting activities in the My Nevo app. The Smart Control Pro also gives you quick access to your favorite streaming apps, even if there was no key for them on your original remote. The 4 keys shown below can each open one app and have been designed to resemble the icons for Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney Plus, and YouTube. If available on your original remote, these keys should perform the same function and open the app directly. If there is no way of directly opening that app on your device, you will be asked to program a real-time macro series of commands that will always open the app. For example, pressing the home key, waiting a couple of seconds, and then pressing menu right twice, and then OK. To program these keys, select App Shortcuts from the main menu of the app.